harsh lines though, guys, because it's still going to make it very beautiful. It would just be a different style, okay? All right, there we go. We now have that completed. That is all of the red that I'm going to be putting on this sign right here. We've got the darker edges around the edges. We have the lighter red in the middle, and I have a beautiful slap of a cloud of white right in the middle. Okay, now, let me see if that's... Okay, everybody, we are now ready to put the word on there, the word believe. This is what we're going for. I'm going to try and match it as close as I can. I'm not going to be using the paintbrush on this. I'm going to be using a paint pen. I'm using one of those Sharpie paint pens, okay? So I love these things. And this one is going to be the wide. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do here. Let me put this up here so you can see. Let's see if we can't freehand this. Because I'm not going to talk because I'm going to have to hold my breath while I do this, okay? Okay, I have my word there now. Now all I'm going to do is going to go back and I'm going to widen my left-hand stroke of each letter. Because I want it to have a calligraphy look to it. You probably understand why too. That white paint needed to be definitely as dry as possible, because when you drag the tip of a marker, a paint marker on top of paint, and if it's still damp or sticky, it will stick to it and it'll will not be smooth and your letters will get all messed up. Okay, so you want to make absolutely sure that that white paint underneath is dry. Okay. Alright, I have some little lines here I'm going to have to clean up. I'll clean up that though after the recording here. Now, I'm going to decorate it a little bit too. The top of my eye I'm going to make out of a gold star, so I'm just going to freehand that gold star in there.